Well, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Faster than the Chiron, Chiron SS, and Rimac Nevera, this is the new V16 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where this is not another Bugatti Chiron derivative. There is a striking resemblance to the old W16 powered hypercar, but this is a completely new beast. The monocoque is new, the suspension is new, and the hybrid V16 powertrain is most definitely new. Say hello to Bugatti's next generation 1800 horsepower flagship, the Tourbillon. Now, with that said, the previous reports about the engine were true, that this is an 8.3 liter monster that revs up to 9,500 RPM and makes 1,000 horsepower without any turbocharger. Cosworth helped develop the naturally aspirated beast, which weighs just 555 pounds, despite being significantly larger than the W16 it replaces. Now, there's also 664 pound-feet of torque, but of greater interest, here is the other half of the Tourbillon's powertrain. We're talking about a hybrid assist, which is a front e-axle carrying two electric motors with a third motor positioned at the back to help spin the rear wheels. 25 kilowatt centrally mounted battery pack supplies power, adding 800 horsepower to the mix. The combined output is 1,800 horsepower. Provided that the bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s have enough grip, the Tourbillon will reach 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers in just 2 seconds flat. But that's not a proper metric to convey the Tourbillon's true power. Well, that means under the full throttle, you can have 124 miles per hour in just 5 seconds flat, and 186 miles per hour arrives in a mere 10 seconds. Now, the top speed happens at 236 miles per hour, and it happens in less than 25 seconds, unless you have this special key installed. Now, when activated, the Tourbillon keeps its ginormous rear wing hunkered down while the speed climbs all the way to 276 miles per hour. Now, the latest Bugatti doesn't lose anything in becoming a hybrid, except a little bit of weight. Yes, despite a battery pack and electric motors, Bugatti says that the Tourbillon is lighter than the Chiron, and it can cruise around town without using the snazzy V16 engine. Actually, it can go beyond town with an estimated EV range of 37 miles. There's no mention of speed on electric power. Bugatti isn't ready to talk about charging times as well, but it uses an 800 volt system. A timepiece enthusiast will recognize the Tourbillon, as mechanical bits used in high quality timepieces to increase accuracy are here. Bugatti sees its Tourbillon as a big, timeless work of mechanical perfection that becomes readily apparent when you open the electrically actuated dihedral doors to see the stunning analog interior. 3 large dials affixed to the steering wheel display everything from speed to engine revs. You also have fuel quantity, engine temperature, and more. The gauges were designed and crafted by switch watchmakers, and they're permanently fixed to the steering wheel column so they remain stationary as you turn the wheel. Meanwhile, in the center console, you'll find banks of aluminum switches, rotary dials, and a single crystal lever that starts the V16. Now, the purpose of all of this is to give the Tourbillon a timeless look, and there's also a hidden digital screen at the top of the center console. On command, it will rotate up and give the driver access to Apple CarPlay, among other things. Now, as for the design, there's no mistaking. It's a Bugatti. The Chiron-esque exterior features a special diffuser that begins just behind the passenger cabin, virtually hidden from view. Vents under the headlights help funnel air to the large side intakes, and the horseshoe grille feeds air into the radiators while also augmenting downforce. Now, the active rear wing can deploy upward to serve as an air brake, and it all rides on a completely new multi-link suspension that is 45% lighter compared to the Chiron's bones. Now, though we're seeing the car today, the era will not begin until 2026, when the first of the 250 production cars will be delivered. Right now, the Tourbillon is currently in its testing phase, so start saving those pennies because you'll need every single one, because the Tourbillon's starting price is 3.6 million euros or around $3.9 million at current exchange rates. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new era of Bugatti? And what is your favorite aspect of the new Tourbillon? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description, and make sure you guys click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.